OnePlus has been putting out a good selection of phones so far this year, and new rumors suggest the Chinese company may yet have another model up its sleeves. We gather up the latest news and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated OnePlus 10T. There's been no official announcement from OnePlus at the time, but rumors we're seeing suggest that the OnePlus 10T could be slated for a July or August release. This isn't quite as straightforward as it may seem though, as OnePlus has been a little scattergun with its models over the last couple of years. While there's no official word of the specifications of the OnePlus 10T, a recent report from TechClicker and TechSite lays out a comprehensive map of what it might look like as well as some renders of the devices, which is nicknamed Powerfull. The design revealed one detail also reported by GSM Arena that may be a disappointment for long-term OnePlus fans is that the company may follow the trend it set with its Note range and remove the classic alert slider button on the OnePlus 10T. Apparently, this will now be preserved of the Pros models only, said. The Yogesh Broad reports states that OnePlus will fit the new device with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This would fit with the expected release date of the phone, as Qualcomm has confirmed that the new chip will appear in phones from July to September 2022. Yogesh also tweeted a post outlining the highlight feature of the new device. The specs mentioned include a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, plus a triple camera array comprised of a 50MP main camera with YS, 16MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro. This will allow video capture up to 4K 60fps. There's also a 32MP front-facing camera that will go up to 1080p 30fps. Rival leaker Digital Chat Station almost agrees but differs slightly on the camera aspects. He reports on Weibo that the ultra-wide will be slightly lower resolution at 8MP, with the selfie camera similarly dropping to 16MP. Both leakers agree that OnePlus 10T will be powered by a 4800mAh battery, and DCS adds that it will ship with a 160W charger, though actual speeds will be capped to 150W fast charging and it won't feature wireless charging. This is interesting, as it means the new model will charge faster than the 80W equipped OnePlus 10 Pro in addition to packing a faster processor, but where the older device lacks in speed, it offers more versatility thanks to its wireless charging option and a more impressive camera system. The OnePlus 10T will come with Oxygen OS 12 running on Android 12, which is par for the course for flagship phones in 2022. In fairness, the rumor states that this could in fact be the OnePlus 10 that never arrived, so we'll just have to wait and see what the marketing department at the company decides in terms of how the names will work going forward.